how to change language on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change language on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and let's go back first, and first thing just click these 3 points in the top and then click settings, and here you will find this one, chats, and scroll down. Here you will find it, app language. Just click on it and then you can change it. Just select anything you want here, like this one, click on it, and as you see the language have been changed, and you can change it back to English. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.